Have you ever seen an ad like this one, which is too good to be true? Well, I did, and I bought the $15 action cam. And if this action cam is any good, that's what we are about to find out in this video. And for everybody who makes it till the end, I'm gonna show you a way how you can get your hands on a legit action cam for around the same price. Stay tuned. So this is the product in question. This is our 4K action cam, which I bought on, I guess it was AliExpress for just $15. And yeah, let's unbox it. We got the 4K Ultra HD here on the camera. Yet if we take a look here, we see, okay, wait, it's full HD 1080p at 15 frames per second. That's great. That's great. Okay, what can you expect from a $15 camera? I want you to have the full unboxing experience, so let's go ahead and see if this is any good. That's it. That's all we get in the package. We get the action cam, which looks extremely like a GoPro, and we get some accessories. I guess you all know this form factor, so let's take a look inside. Let's turn it on. I hope you can see this. So let's see what happens. This was the GoPro intro, wasn't it? So yeah, it says no card, and ha! As I'm prepared. So alright, and oh, I don't know if you can see the crappy display, but it's pretty crappy. And I can tell that this is not wide angle at all. This looks not wide angle. So yeah, that's it. That's the 4K Ultra HD Super Mini Cam. Okay, guys, real talk. I did some research on the internet. Yeah, 4K Ultra HD is not the resolution. No. It's the name of the product. The resolution is, as claimed on the packaging, 1080p at 15 FPS. So yeah, that's how to trick people like me. At this point, I would say it's crap, but that's not enough. So I just went ahead, grabbed a GoPro and went outside to shoot some footage. What you see on screen right now is a comparison between the $15 action cam and the GoPro Hero 4. And as you can tell by looking at the footage, the $15 action cam is really bad, and I feel like I don't have to go further and review this. It's just a bad camera nobody should ever want to buy. So what is the purpose of this video then? Well, I just wanted to show you how bad those super cheap cameras actually are, and I want to tell you not to buy this. But I don't say don't buy it because they are crappy. I say don't buy it because there are other cameras out there which are actually nearly as cheap as this one, but way better. And this brings me back to the GoPro Hero 4. If you go on eBay right now and search for GoPro Hero 4, you will find listings somewhere between $20 and $50. Remember, this thing was $15. What do you expect from a $15 action cam? You expect nothing. But if I tell you can get a $20 GoPro, hey, that's actually a consideration, isn't it? So, yeah. Thanks for watching. You know what? Actually, f the script. I want to know what's inside. I want to know what kind of lens this is. I'm going to take apart this camera right now. Easy, yeah, just with my fingers. Oh yeah. Can we get it out now? Ah, the battery. Okay. Let's get the battery out here. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh yeah, I should maybe remove the SD card because this is actually expensive. Because I actually do not want to kill you yet. Yeah! Housing gone. Alright, that's the actual sensor. 009 version 1. I wonder if there's something on the internet if I Google this. Yeah, there's something. Oh, okay. Lens, glass lens. Aperture 2.4, that could actually be the case. Angle of view, 90 degrees. That's more likely. This is 90 degree instead of, what was he claiming? It was claiming to be 140 degrees. No. That actually could be possible, a 90 degree. Everything I wanted to know. No, it's not a wide angle. So Thanks for watching! If you liked the video, leave a like and consider sharing this video. Also tell me if you would like to see me unbox more products like this back then when it still was one product. So yeah, tell me in the comments below. See ya! Bye!